Hey everyone, it's been roughly 2 years since we've launched Base Appchains, and since then we've had multiple apps launch their mainnet Appchain. As a refresher, Base Appchains give builders dedicated block space, powerful customization options like custom gas tokens, configurable sequencer fee logic, and contract allow listing, with every Appchain having the ability to tap into Base's liquidity and users. But there's one problem. How do users get their funds on a Base app chain? The solution? The bridge component from OnchainKit. Once your app chain is live, you want to make it easy, fast, and cost-effective for users to bridge assets onto your chain. OnchainKit's bridge component handles seamless bridging of funds in seconds, and you can style it to match your brand. Today, I want to show you how to implement the bridge component from OnchainKit, select a brand-aligned color palette, generate a custom CSS theme via your favorite LLM, and apply that theme to the OnchainKit bridge widget. Let's get started. Okay, so let's implement the bridge component from OnchainKit. On my left, I have this local version of the application that I'm building with a button that will take us to a new page so that our users can bridge their funds over to our app chain. Right now, the button doesn't have any functionality, so let's add that in. The first thing when it comes to implementing the bridge component is to create a chains.ts file within your app folder. So let's do that. Yes. And this is where you want to enter in the configuration for your app chain. We use the define chain function from VM, and we add in an ID, name, native currency, and any RPC configurations that we may need. This example uses the block load chain. With our chain defined, let's update our WAGMI configuration file so that our application knows to support this chain. We'll go here and let's import the Lords chain, as well as adding it as a transport as well. And be sure to add it to the array of chains supported. Sweet. So now our application will be able to speak to both Base and the Lords chain. Now that we've created our chain and updated our WAGMI configuration, let's now create the page that will present the component to our users. Let's create a new folder called Bridge and add a new page to it. Let's paste in our code and then discuss what's happening. First, we import the Lords chain, some wallet components from OnchainKit, and the last but not least, the Appchain components as well. And we create a custom component named Bridge with the configurations of our Lords chain. Then we define the bridgeable token. Lords chain is an app chain that uses custom gas tokens. So here we've defined this bridgeable token with the correct decimal, address, and image for that token. Last but not least, we render the JSX. If we click the bridge button, we should be navigated to the bridge component. Awesome. Now let's add custom styling to this bridge component. The first step of customizing our bridge component is to find a color palette of our liking. I think this one is a good one. Open up in the generator. Then I'll take a screenshot of the colors. I'll give ChatGPT the image. Then I'll grab the CSS template from OnchainKit and paste that in. The last thing I'll do is ask ChatGPT to use the colors provided to fill out the CSS file. Awesome. Let's take our newly generated CSS file and bring it over to our application. So I'll navigate to our global.css file and paste in the generated file. Now, with this set up, the last thing we'll need to do is head over to our providers file and add in the support for custom themes. To do this, we'll add a one-liner here that says theme and custom and hit save. Whoa. All right. So we got this fiery theme going here. Now, personally, I would change up a few colors, but I wanted to show you how quick and easy it was to not only implement the bridge component, but how easy it is to also theme and customize it and make it your own. If you wanted to make any more changes, just go to the global CSS file and swap out any of these colors to your liking. And that's it.